Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2009 Chrysler Sebring. This Sebring is equipped with heated mirrors. So if yours has heated mirrors, this is the symbol you will have on your mirror glass. By pushing onto the rear defroster button, your side mirrors should start defrosting ice. If they don't work, if they are not heating up, most likely the problem is the burnt fuse. So now I will show you which fuse to check and how to replace it. Okay, fuse box on the Sebring is located in the engine bay. It's right here. This is the cover. So to remove it, there are two clips. One is here, another one is right here. So just want to pull it up here. Just release those clips and you can take off the cover. On the back of the cover you will see a fuse diagram, and for the heated mirrors you want to check fuse number 25. So it's right here. So that means that is the red 10 amp fuse. If the fuse is good and your heated mirrors still don't work, that means there is a problem with the wires most likely, or with the defroster switch inside the cabin, but most likely your problem will be this small 10 amp fuse. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I do my best to post new videos daily. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.